Hi, this is Gauri again from Eber, the #1 choice for consumer experience management platform. Today I'm here to address one of the popular questions asked about PSG, which is, how do I know if I can apply? Am I eligible? So I'm going to walk you through some of the important criteria that you need to pay attention to before applying for the PSG grant. Number 1, your business entity must be registered in Singapore. Number 2, at least 30% local shareholding is required. Number 3, the purchase or lease of the subscription must be used in Singapore. And because this is a grant meant for small and medium businesses, your employment size must be 200 workers or less. Another thing to note is that you cannot have signed any contract or made any payment to the vendor that you're applying the grant for. If there has been prior contact, your application can be rejected. For more information, head over to smeportal.sg and click on the Tech Depot menu. I will also be leaving some useful links in the description below, as well as a step-by-step guide on how you can apply for a PSG grant. So I hope this video was useful. I'll see you in the next one.